Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Snapchat filters from photo. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. But first up, open up Snapchat. And here, let's say for example that you just captured a photo like this one. Maybe you have mistakenly added some filters right here. Now, if you want to revert it back, just basically swipe right or left and until you found this option that got a transparent icon in it. All right, this one is the default option that doesn't have a filter. Okay, now let's say for example that you captured a photo like so, you added a filter in it, and then you hit on save or hit on send. Well, all you need to do is just maybe go back and tap on memories, reload that specific photo, which is right here, tap on it, and then just go ahead and tap on the drop down right here at the right panel. Now what you'll do, as you can see, it is set right here to that specific filter that we have added. So what you'll do is just scroll or again swipe until it gets back to normal. And now you can go ahead and export it and send it to. All right, that is it. That is how you remove Snapchat filter from a photo, as long as the photo or video was taken from Snapchat camera itself. All right, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.